Hi, today I'm for the Motorola One 5GH and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we got to the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen of our phone. That's why if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper, we should first open the settings and then tap to the display section. After that, click to advanced, tap to wallpaper, and here select your new wallpapers from the photos, Google Photos, Live wallpapers, or just regular default wallpapers. If you wanna use photos from your device, just click to My Photos folder, and after that you'll see here the photos previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Unfortunately, I have no here any photos, as can you see. Also, you can use the default wallpapers on your device, and also you can use the online wallpapers. Just first you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. So I'm done. So now let's go back here to wallpapers. Once again, let's click here, and we can see here more folders with the available wallpapers. So just to use them, be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. So now just let's select the wallpaper. You can see how this wallpaper will look on your lock screen. You can change here the position of the wallpaper, and after that just tap on the right down corner to OK and select the lock screen. After that, wait a second, we can see that the wallpaper is set successfully, so let's just check it. And as you can see, that's so simple. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your home screen with the finger, then click to the wallpaper section, and after that, just by the same way, you can use your device wallpaper and just select one from this available one. I just will use the cityscape folder, and so let's just use this for example one. Tap on the right down corner, select lock screen, wallpaper set successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.